value of the second row from the third. It will return the value of the second row from the third. So that is the reason we are getting the 2000 value here. Similarly, we have something called as a HLOOKUP. When compared to the VLOOKUP, the basic difference between these two is we are just handling with the row index. That's it. So based on whatever the key matching we had used by the cell, it will go and return the value based on the row number specified. Instead of the taking column number specified, we are just taking care of the row number specified. So yeah, let's go and understand. Since syntax is very similar when compared to the VLOOKUP and also the HLOOKUP, let's go and see the example what exactly they are going to be does. HLOOKUP I have as declared it will go and search with the apple. This is a lookup value, and the table array was specified with the B2 to D3. So this is a B2 and the D3 is almost in this side. So these are the values we are going to be specified with corresponding to that. And also we have mentioned as a row index and also the range lookup as a false. So what will happen? It's going and check about the row index cells or row number specified according to the HLOOKUP. It will go and identify the apple firstly, and what exactly the apple does and what is the ratio between that. So it will go and identify with respect to the row value, that is 10. So that is the reason we are getting as a 10 result. So it will return whatever the apple spotted, or you can say whatever the apple consists of that number, returning that value from the second row. And similarly, if you mention by using the different range, so we are just taking the range from B3 to D4. That means, yeah, so currently the D4 we are going to be specified. So in this case, what will happen? It will return the price of the apple. Okay, it will return some price of the apple. But what will happen? The position and the spotted position of the apple is listing going to return the same price of the third row. We are mentioned as a third row, right? So when compared to the row count and also the column count. Similarly, HLOOKUP, we are just considering as a B. B is going to be a lookup value, and this is the range table area, you can say. And this is the value row index number we are going to be specified. And make it as a false for the range lookup. Obviously, if it is does not match with anything that, so it will give as the error value or not mismatched value. And similarly, we are just showcasing as a B, and we are also mentioning as a range lookup as a true. So what will happen in this case? It will make and go some of the assumptions with the HLOOKUP, and the range is going to be made as a set is equal to true. The larger value is going to be specified when compared to this. Okay, so the larger value we are just going to specify with corresponding to the B, right? The B is less than. Okay, B is the less than of the value. Hence, the apple is returned. So this is corresponding to the value when compared to the HLOOKUP what we have. The font is apple, obviously. When compared to that, it won't give this value as a price of the apple.